Daily dose of internet. Daily dose of internet. This person did a study to see how accurate our eye and foot placement is when walking. The muzzle blast from this gun is deflecting the rain from falling on it. A photographer placed a mirror in the Amazon rainforest to see the reactions from animals. These people created the ultimate table for table tennis nerds. It shows you every little stat you would want to know about improving your game. This rhino charged at this car, but luckily nobody got hurt.
No, stay. Stay firm, stay fast.
This person created a way to travel with your cats without putting them in a pet carrier. It's pretty much just a straitjacket, but it doesn't seem to bother them too much. This is what a reindeer migration looks like in Sweden. This is what it looks like when you add food coloring and a dissolving tablet into a water blob in space. That's in this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys